So this video is about black tank and gray tank cleaning. I did not know that you're supposed to have your black and gray tanks cleaned out periodically. I've had my RV for 5 years and we started having some issues. My toilet was backing up. I have 2 toilets. I have a regular toilet and a macerator toilet. Well, the regular one is the kind that you just push the pedal down and it goes down. And then the other one is a macerator toilet. My step down toilet was getting clogged all the time. And I started hearing a funny noise, which I think was the seal going bad. And my Newmar mechanic, Damien, said, "When was the last time you had the tanks cleaned out?" I'm like, never. So I called Jim of Jim's RV Repair. He's a technician and he also has a knack for doing this crazy clean out. So I had never heard about it, so I want to share it with you and highly encourage you to consider doing it. Oh my gosh, it was so cool. I did not know what to expect. I was so excited to see how this thing works. It's hot. So he basically has his adapter that attaches onto your black tank and sticks his water pressure hose in there to force water into the tanks. And oh my gosh, the stuff that was coming out of there, and the tanks were empty when we started, but oh my gosh, it was like poop soup. And we're not going to show that because it's just gross. We used about 100 gallons of water and so much crap came out of there. But at the very end, when I was getting ready to put my hose away, there was a bunch of this. Well, I'll just show you. Look at all this crap that came out of my tank. What the hell is that?
Those are called struvites. They're little crystals that grow in the tank from the uric gases, and they grow on the walls and interrupt the sensors. They also have paper that'll cling to them that if it's not dissolvable toilet paper, they grow into it.
And this is the stuff that I've been using, which I should not be using anymore. What did you say I should use?
I don't want a lawsuit against from TST, but yeah, there's some correlation with people using TST and how much their struvite growth takes place.
And you
recommend... I'm just basing this on statistics.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't like powders or granules. I like liquids. I like Pure Power. And I like Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper.
Yay! So Jim, cleaning out black tanks, that's not your only thing that you do, is it?
No, my specialty, I got hired into this because I was an aircraft electrician, so electrical is my specialty, but I'm an RV tech, so I do the fridges, air conditioners, water heaters, charging, solar,
And what areas do you work in? Casa Grande?
Yeah, Casa Grande, Florence, Maricopa. In the summertime, I can stretch out a little further, but during snowbird season, I'm kind of tied to the area because of how busy we get.
Well, I really appreciate you and your gift and your service. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm so excited that my black and gray tanks are squeaky clean. And I've already placed my Amazon order for the Pure Power, which happens to be blue. You just pour 2 ounces in after you've emptied your tanks. And I've ordered the Scott Rapid Dissolving Toilet Paper. So yeah, some things are going to change around here. And I'm so excited. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you want to know about new videos coming up that I have made. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.